This video is about traveling kit during pandemic situation. We need gloves to wear during traveling, and then tissue, just like a packet one, and then mouthwash, to goggle out, and then toothpaste. I took whitening toothpaste and then brush, and then for hand wash I am taking far. It contains cream and oil. Then we need a spray. I am using Yardley one, and then Dettol sanitizer. It will hold in your handbags, and this one is squeezing type. We can use it. This one also. Two types I took sanitizer, and then we can use wet wipes to cleaning your hands, face, etc. And then face mask. This is disposal one. We can use and dispose. This disposable mask we can use it in quarantine days. While traveling we should use N95 mask. I will show you later. Right now I just showing the disposable mask. We need a box. This N95 mask is available in all pharmacies and supermarkets. Mostly everywhere it's available. So we need this while traveling. I took 2 pieces while departure and arrival. These N95 masks are reusable. We can wash it also. This is the next sector of the traveling bag. Here I am going to keep the electronic gadgets, hard disk. We can store more data in the hard disk. This is a card reader. We can retrieve the data from memory card. Obviously we need a power bank. It's the must thing while traveling. We can't able to charge, so we need power bank. If you need micro SIM or memory card, what else you need, please carry out those things also. Don't forget to charge your power bank before traveling. Next I am going to keep USB adapter. If you need USB adapter or USB, what else you need, please carry out those things also. Then I am going to keep mobile charger with cable. If you have external 2-pin charger or 3-pin charger, maybe you were traveling outside the kingdom, remain and keep it safe. Don't forget to take snacks, cup noodles, cupcakes, juices or Lebanon flavored Lebanon, and then croissant, bread and jam. Planning for Hajj: portable fan, water sprayer, water bags, and then cap, head umbrella. These are both accessories while we are using in traveling. It's available in all 5 Riyal shops. Just for 5 Riyal only. It's very useful in those days of Hajj. 5 days we should use odor free body wash or soap. We should not use any fragrance those days. So I'm going to take first Vaseline in a small box. This is must thing while traveling. Here I am taking first Herbolene that contains aloe vera with petroleum gel. You can use it for hand or leg, something else. It gives some moisture content to your body. Due to high weather condition till 40 to 50 degrees there, so we should use Vaseline for the dehydrating skin. It provides moisture surface to your skin. Small bottle, we can carry out some liquid items like oil for the hair. I'm going to take coconut oil for hair. It is very useful for us while traveling. We can comb easily using the oil. During the 5 days of Hajj, we were not combing our hair. So after that, we must need this. So don't forget to carry it out. Next one is for body wash. I'm going to keep body wash in it. I'm going to take, don't forget the lid. It's very useful to close it, otherwise it will squeeze and mess the materials in the bag. I'm going to squeeze the Yardley body wash for men. This is for my husband. I'm just squeezing this one in it for him. He's going to travel out inside the kingdom, but it's near the border of Jordan. So for this I am preparing for him. So I am taking this. The next one I am going to use for shampoo. Now I am going to use this bottle with Pantene shampoo, with half with shampoo and half with water. I am going to mix it together, and then I am going to use the squeezer type bottle. So I mixed and used. Don't forget to shake well before using it. Next I am going to use olive oil. I am going to pour it in it because maybe you will get some pain in your leg or something else. If you are using olive oil, it will be very helpful. Even though in Hajj it's very useful. So if you want to take olive oil or something else, even you can take cream or what else you can use it. One more small box I am going to keep Vaseline only. This is very useful for dry lips because due to dehydration, climatic condition, we need Vaseline only more. Otherwise you can keep a moisturizer cream. What else you want to keep? Now everything is filled up. Now it's ready to pack. Let's pack it. Keep those bottles in a proper way. Check it out, it closed tightly or not. Otherwise check one more time also, and then zip it also properly. Otherwise it will mess all those things in the traveling bag. Next main thing I forgot to show you, that's nothing but AirPod. Otherwise you can take headphones. It's must for traveling, so don't forget it. Charge it and keep it. it nicely. Next main thing, if you are going to stay in quarantine for 15 days in some other country, you must take some medicines like erythromycin, it's good for sore throat, amoxicillin, cetirizine if you are allergic, and paracetamol is must. Maybe you will get COVID positive or negative, so for emergency purpose you can carry out the medicines. And natural medicine, you can take kabasura pudi, inhalant capsules for steaming purpose. I was using turmeric powder and salt and then pepper powder. We must need pen to fill some certain mandatory forms. Just keeping pencils, erasers and sharpeners for kids purpose. And then scribble notes if we need, we can keep. Scribbling notebooks also I am keeping too for some important notes. And don't forget to take your specs if you are wearing specs. Keep very lightweight dresses if you are traveling for Hajj. Your bag should be one, then it's very easy to keep everywhere. Finally, I'm going to keep the laptop for some office purpose. This packing is for traveling by my husband for his office purpose. Thanks for watching. Keep on sharing. If you like this video, thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel.